today?
We are fine.
I'm also very, very fine. So today, what is the name of our subject? Do you know? Yes, social science and science. So do you know that which topics we are going to learn today? Environmental factors. Today we are going to learn about environmental factors. Before we learn about those factors, we need to know what is environment. Do you have any idea what is environment?
I know.
Okay, let's see. But you can tell.
Environment.
Environment.
Around
Us. What do we have around us? Very good. Give a clap to Tasya. Very good. So, what is environment? What do we have around us? Like, suppose that this is a classroom, right?
Yes,
What is classroom environment?
Table,
Yes. Chair, board.
then TV.
Yes.
Then pictures.
Pictures, good.
And your marker.
Yes, marker,
And
pen,
your
everything.
your book, your and dust numbers, your speaking English that, and your board.
Yes, everything around us here is called environment. And this marker, this board, this thing, we call them elements. What you call them? Elements. So, now tell me, you came to school from home, right?
Yes.
On the way from home to school, what do you see? One, tell one by one. Okay, I need to make a list. So tell one by one. One by one. Car. Okay. Road. Then motorcycle.
CNG.
Okay. Let me writing first. CNG.
And bus.
Bus. Yes, you say bus. Then
Tree.
trees. Aparajita, tell me what you see. What? Cloud. Cloud. Okay.
Sky.
Sky.
Shop.
What?
Shop.
Shop. Yeah, good. Ihan, do you want to tell something? What is it?
Shop.
Shop. That was already telling shop. Then try to say new things.
Yes.
What is it?
Airplane.
What?
Airplane.
Sky. Okay. Airplane. Do you need to write airplane?
Yes.
Yes. But okay, Ahil, do you see any kind of elements coming to school from home? Do you see any kind of element? Do you see buildings?
Buildings.
Rickshaw? Yes, buildings and rickshaws are the elements. Do you know? Buildings, rickshaws. Zain? Zain, now tell me, how do you come from school? By walking or taking rickshaw?
Teacher is
Rickshaw,
rickshaw.
bike or bike? How do you get to school?
Rickshaw, bike,
Rickshaw, okay.
bus,
So rickshaw is an
car,
element, okay? So now tell me, what do you?
teacher,
No. Now the another.
Traffic.
Okay, now we write what we saw from home to school. On the way from home to school, we write those elements. Okay. Now let's see what other things we can see besides our home. Okay, besides our home. Where's our
I
home?
can see.
You
My
can-
home is
Okay.
internet.
Okay. I don't need to know where is the home. I just ask, is your home in a building?
Yes.
Yes. So what do you see besides the home? Besides home, what do you see?
When I
Okay, let's see. You saw
I
three
see
from outside
cat.
of your home. Okay,
I
three.
see cat.
Cat. Cat. Good. Very good.
I see dog.
Okay. One by one.
Dog.
What?
Dog.
Dog. What's the dog?
Dog.
Dog. Okay. Another thing.
Dog.
Cow. Okay.
Bull.
Anil, tell me what is it?
Something telling.
Bull. Okay. Right. I'm writing. Bull.
Teacher, I see this.
Birds. Birds. Okay, good. Okay. Any other thing? I think we write so many elements. Okay. What is it?
Hippos.
No, we don't say hippos.
Lake.
No, not lake. The bridge. I see bridge. Teacher.
It's a breeze?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Let's write it. It's a new thing.
Oh, really? We write so many things on the
Yes. We fill the whole board, okay?
board.
Okay. So, we saw this type of elements outside of our home. When we come to school, we saw this type of elements. Car, road, motorcycle, CNG, bus, trees, cloud, sky, shop, sky, plane, buildings, rickshaw. And outside home or besides home, we see tree, cat, dog, cow, ox, goat, hen, duck, sun, bull, bird, bridge. Okay, and so many other things. Okay, now let's watch some pictures. And you have to tell one by one what picture it is.
It is a tree. Some goats.
One person is talking, then
I can
raise
see
your
a
hand.
tree, a goat, and a water pool.
Yes, cool. But
This is a city's village.
village scenery. Okay, that means this is the environment of village, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's move on to the next picture. You can tell us in the next picture. Okay, what is it? Let's
A hill.
What is it?
Hill.
Hilly area. It is not a smooth road, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's move on to the next picture. Time, are you watching? What is this?
Paddling.
Paddy field. Okay, Arif, what is it?
Paddle.
Paddy field. Okay, we see a very big field.
Grass.
Yes. So what is it?
A reindeer. Some reindeers here.
It's a deer. Why do we see deer?
For jungle.
In jungle or forest. Okay. Okay, do we see deer in the city and the city?
No.
No, obviously not. And also, we don't see deer around the village, right? We see them in, but we see them in the jungle. Okay, what is it?
School.
How do you know that this is a school?
It is had our national flag.
Yes, it has a national flag, and the structure of this building is not like regular house, right? It's a long, what is it called? Yeah, long shapes. Okay, let's move on to the next picture. House. What is it? House. This is not a school?
No.
Why?
Because it is had no
Flag.
flag.
Yes. So what is it?
A tree.
Is it a small tree or big tree?
Big tree.
Big tree. Okay. What is it?
A
Yeah.
Okay.
What is it? What do you see in this picture? Lake. I told you a lake is very big, but the pond is small, and it is small. Pond. Yes, good. What is it? Vase. Next. And the last. What is it?
A building.
Buildings. Okay. We saw different types of picture, right?
Yes.
And they don't relate each other, right? Bus is not related to the pond, is it?
No, it's
No.
related to the school.
Bus is related to the
School.
school, yes. Because some people, but some of us come to the school with the bus. Yes. So there are, some of them are related, some of them are not related. But why do we see all this various kind of picture? Why? Because we saw them around us. When we go outside, we saw them around us, right?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Right? These are, we called element. What we called?
Element.
Element. So we saw different types of elements around what we have seen in our city or the village. So we have to watch a video.
Okay.
What is environment? Environment consists of air, water, and land. It consists of everything we see around, like trees, plants, flowers, animals, birds, and also people. People like mother, neighbors, friends are all a part of the environment. Animals like pet dogs and cats are also a part of the environment. The fishes in the ponds are also found in the environment. Trees with birds, butterflies on red roses, green grass below, and the blue sky above all make the environment. Environment satisfies all our needs. It provides us with air that we breathe, water that we drink, food that we eat, and clothes that cover our body. We live in this place. We are a part of this environment. This environment belongs to all of us. Let us help to keep the environment clean. How? Never throw chocolate wrappers or any garbage on the ground. Always throw waste and garbage in a dustbin. Water the plants every day. They give us food. Don't spit on the roads or in the parks. Spit in trash cans. Now, we know that our environment is very important. And we all are a part of this environment.
Okay, here is our video in here, and now tell me what do you see in this video? What do we see in this video? Can anyone tell? What do you know? Yes, they are what? What are they? Yes, what are they? Elements of environment, right? So now tell me, what do we find in the environment? Which elements we find in the environment? Flowers, trees, fruit, then mother, yes, mother is father,
and dogs,
cats, neighbor, friends, clothes. Okay, now, so do you understand what is environment? That means everything around us, including air, right? Is there element of environment? Yes? Water. Is water elements of environment?
Yeah.
Yes. Is land an element of environment?
Yeah.
Right? Is land an elements of environment or not? Elements from environment, right? Ihan, is water element of environment? Yes, good. Zain, do you think that air is the element of environment? Yes. Yeah, cat.
Cat.
You see cat are elements of the environment. Okay. So we learned that which elements of environment, right? Air, water, land, tree, plants, flower, fruits. Everything is the environment. We people are also elements of environment, right? We people. In the people, what we have? Friends, right? Teachers, neighbors, father, mother, brother, sister. They all
Grandpa,
are
granny too.
environment. Yes, grandpa and granny too. They all are we are the part of the environment. Okay, family. So what we see exactly, what we see outside, right? And do you think that we can damage our environment?
No.
No. So how should we not to damage the environment? Tell us, how should we not to do this? You don't know? Don't throw the garbage on the road. We have dustbin and we put them in a dustbin. Okay, good. So we must protect our environment, right? So we can have a fresh environment like this. Now, it's a discussion time. Okay. The environment is made up of everything around us. Various elements are present in the environment. Like, these elements can be our houses, buildings, educational institutions, mosques, temples, animals, plants, trees, everything, etc. What we saw on everything is called environment. Okay, we see these elements constantly, right? We don't see them sometimes. We see them regularly. We see buildings regularly, right? Every day, every moment. If I take off the window, we see buildings, right? Every day, constantly, we see them. So some of them are man-made, while some of them are nature-made. So all elements of environment are related to our life. Okay.
Yeah, what is nature?
Nature is, okay, there are things like we are human, okay? We create some things that is man-made things. And
Okay.
what we have, what we don't create, like trees, we cannot create trees.
I love trees.
Yes, Allah create trees.
We
Allah
can
create
create house.
we can build house, but we cannot build make a tree. Okay, tree came from nature. Nature is something that we should not touch. We should not make. We cannot make. Should not. No, we cannot make. Okay, nature came from our God. Okay, our Allah.
Sun came from the nature.
Yes, sun came from the nature. So
The sky too.
yeah, sky too. So we write those elements on the board. You remember? So some of them are man-made and some of them are nature-made. Okay, let's see which is the nature-made or the man-made. Okay, let's point out which is the man-made. Is car man-made?
No. Yes.
Isn't car man-made?
Yes.
Yes, car is man-made. Road?
Yes.
Man-made or not? You are going to tell me man-made or nature-made?
Nature.
Man-made. Roads are created by the man. Okay, us. Motorcycle?
Man-made.
CNG?
Man-made.
Bus?
Man-made.
Trees?
No. Nature.
Nature. Good. Cloud?
Nature.
Nature. Sky?
Nature.
Shop?
People.
Man-made. Good. Sky. Oh, I wrote another sky. Okay, plane? Aeroplane?
Man-made.
Buildings?
Man-made. Man-made.
Rickshaw?
Man-made.
Tree?
Nature-made.
Cat?
Nature-made.
Dog?
Nature-made.
Cow?
Nature-made.
Ox?
Nature-made.
Goat? elements from environment. So these are also the environmental elements, and also water, air, land.
Teacher, we can water. Yeah.
We can write later, okay? We don't have enough space. So tell us with me, what are the elements? Water, air, land, trees, plants, flowers, sun, sky, and also clouds. We people are
Animals.
elements. And also animals are also the elements of environment. Actually, what we see around us is called environmental elements, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. This is our class.